Hi everyone, welcome back to another English learning video. Today, we are going to learn some important adjectives that are commonly used with the word abortion. These words will help you speak more naturally and understand English better. So, let's get started. First, we have backstreet abortion. This phrase refers to an illegal and unsafe abortion, usually performed in dangerous conditions. Let's see an example. Many women risk their lives undergoing backstreet abortions. In many countries where abortion is illegal, women are forced to go to unsafe places for the procedure. This is why it is called backstreet abortion, because it happens in hidden dangerous places. Next, we have illegal abortion. This simply means an abortion that is against the law. It is not allowed by the government. And people who perform or get illegal abortions can be punished. She was arrested for performing illegal abortions. Illegal abortions can be very dangerous because they are often performed without proper medical care. Many women suffer serious health problems because of them. Now, let's talk about the opposite of illegal abortion. Legal abortion. A legal abortion is when a government allows women to get an abortion in a safe and professional medical environment. In some countries, legal abortion is still a controversial issue. In some countries, people still argue whether abortion should be legal or not. It is a sensitive and controversial topic in many places. Next, we have induced abortion. This means an abortion that is done intentionally, usually for medical or personal reasons. You choose to have an induced abortion for medical reasons. This type of abortion is done by a doctor in a safe environment. It can be performed because of health risks to the mother or other serious reasons. Finally, we have spontaneous abortion. This is the medical term of a miscarriage which happens naturally and is not done on purpose. Spontaneous abortion can occur due to health complications. Spontaneous abortion can happen for many reasons, such as genetic problems or health complications. It is a very emotional and difficult experience for many women. Let's review what we learned today. We talked about 5 adjectives with abortion: backstreet abortion, illegal abortion, legal abortion, induced abortion, spontaneous abortion. Now, it's your turn. Write a sentence using one of these words in the comments below. I'll check your answers and give you feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.